Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Zapier with Shopify. So first go to www.zapier.com and click on create a Zap. Now you have to select your trigger, so our trigger will be Shopify. Let's select our event, so our event will be new customer. Click on continue and connect with your Shopify account, and then I'm going to skip this test for now. After that you have to select our actions. Our action will be Google Sheets. Our event will be create spreadsheet, and click on continue and sign in with your Google account as well and fill in these forms. Click on continue, and then you can just skip this test and publish this Zap. So that is how you use Zapier with Shopify. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.